To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Now, as far as Donald Trump is concerned, because seems to be a fresh tirade against the new New York mayoral candidate who is Zohran Mamdani. We've already seen how personal potshots have been taken by Donald Trump against Mamdani. First was his social media post saying that he looks terrible, has a grating voice, is a lunatic communist. According to Donald Trump, now he seems to have gone a step further, with the US president saying that the country doesn't need a communist, even saying that his arrest was a possibility if he opposed the arrest of illegal immigrants in New York. Now, Mamdani, to which has issued a statement following Donald Trump's threat, saying that he will not accept this intimidation by the President of the United States. While following his official confirmation as the Democratic candidate, Donald Trump has denounced Mamdani profusely, calling him as a lunatic, as a communist, as he called for his arrest. The president, meanwhile, has also raised doubts over the legality of Mamdani's citizenship as well. And as far as ICE is concerned, which is the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, well, Donald Trump has said that if Mamdani stops the ICE from doing its work in America, which is one of the most populous cities, then he has said that this will be coming at a time where Mamdani has said that he has refused to be intimidated by President Donald Trump and his threats as well. But it seems that Mamdani is of the opinion, saying that President of the United States, who threatened to have me arrested, strip me of my citizenship, put me in a detention camp and to be deported, not because I've broken any law, but because I will refuse to let the ICE terrorize our city. Now, this is coming at a time when Donald Trump, time and again, and on personal account as well, have taken on Zohran Mamdani.